Hi guys, my name is Marissa and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I clean and decorate my house for spring 2020. I'm the mother to 3 children and there are always items laying around my house. Before I start any new cleaning project or redecorating of my home, I always try to pick all of the loose items up before starting. If you're new to my channel, I am a wife and mother to 3 boys. I try to make videos about cooking and cleaning, personal finance, beauty, organizing, decluttering, things that I hope will just motivate other moms to feel like they can get it all done. As you can see, I have a pretty large dog, so vacuuming out my couch to make sure that there isn't any pet hair, as well as cracker crumbs and other miscellaneous debris, is an important thing that I like to do before changing out any of the pillows or throw blankets on my couch. This couch was really in desperate need of a good overall wipe down and cleaning. After the winter, everything is just a little bit grimy and dirty, so I thought I'd take the opportunity to just really do a good job of getting in there and cleaning it. This couch we've had for a couple of years, and it's held up really well, but it is starting to show the effects of being in a household with 3 boys. Adding a fresh pop of color to your couch just really makes such a nice difference in the spring. It brightens everything up and just makes everything feel really lively. That corner pillow is something that I actually made out of a placemat that I found at Target. I just pulled out the side and then stuffed it full of batting. Next, I'm going to work on my mantle. So I'm going to give it a really good vacuum. And then I'm just going to make sure that I wipe everything down before I start decorating. There was a lot of glitter that was still sticking around from Christmas that I wanted to tackle and make sure that I got it all cleaned up before putting down new decor. This little rooster is something that I inherited when my great-grandmother passed away. I don't keep it out all year round, but I do like to display it in the spring. It just makes me think of her and smile when I see it. I found this garland a couple of years ago at the Target dollar spot, and I thought it was absolutely adorable. I don't like to spend a ton of money on decor. Typically, I find my items at Target or Hobby Lobby. These little pots were painted by my children. I think it just gives kids so much joy to see you display their artwork. I'd love to at some point plant some herbs in them. This table is another area that needed a lot of attention. It also was covered in glitter, it had dust, and just needed to really have a good scrubbing before I decorated. My husband always gets me a anniversary gift related to the year. So it's like number one is paper, and I don't remember what flowers is, but he purchased this for me, and while it doesn't go with my everyday decor, I think that it can look really cute with things for spring. So I typically display it during the spring season. I don't know about you, but I can never figure out where I want to put the items. I use the same items every year, but I can never remember where I put them the last year, so I always just fiddle around with them until I feel like they look right. Here I am vacuuming out one of the storage containers for a piece of decor. It drops little pieces of grass like crazy, so I always have to vacuum it out every year and be mindful of where I stick them so that they don't make a mess all over my house. When my son was a baby, he took a bite out of the ear of this rabbit. Every year, I think I should throw it away, but it just makes me laugh, and I can't bring myself to throw it in the trash. So I just try to display it where it's not showing the missing ear. Here you can see that even though I cleaned my house at the beginning of this video, I do have children, and they have dropped little blocks and books and thrown the pillows on the ground, and that's just the way it's gonna go. So I just am going to put it back before I do a final vacuuming of this room. This is another item that one of my children made for me in preschool. They decorated these little flowers with watercolors, and while I would love to put herbs in these pots, I know that it's probably not going to happen. So I decided that since I didn't really have a great spot to put these, that I would just try to make them look like they're little flowers inside of the pots that they painted. Here's what my house looks like after I have finished decorating for spring. If this has motivated you to decorate an area of your house, tag me on Instagram at HomemakingwithMarissa. If you liked videos like this, subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Bye!